Hello, my name is Julie Rothel, and I'm putting a resource together. One of the things I am often messaged or emailed about is people have an encaustic wax painting, but it gets damaged. All sorts of things get damaged. The beauty with encaustic work is that it can be repaired. However, the difficulty, but people often email me and think that I can reply over an email, and it's not as straightforward as that. There are multiple of different scenarios that can come up in repairing a painting. If I'm repairing my own painting, I know exactly how a painting was put together, and I know what techniques were used to enable that repair to happen. It's especially difficult doing that with other artists' work because you don't know what medium they've used, you don't know what's within the layers. There are a number of different scenarios that can come up. That said, I have successfully repaired some encaustic paintings. I'm often emailed by people who live a long distance from me or overseas. So I've put this resource together that you can either have a go at repairing the painting yourself, or if you contact a local artist and they're willing to do that for you. But these are just some of my tips and my experiences of having repaired. I've been working with encaustic for the last 10 years, and yeah, so I've kind of just pulled some resources together just purely based upon my experience in repairing paintings, and some tips that you can try yourself if you are in the scenario that you do have a damaged painting. One thing I will say is that I never hold any responsibility if things go wrong. These are my tips that I've experienced, and I can help you, but it always on the owner as to whether they wish to go ahead and try and get the repair done, or anyway, I'll go through all of that in the course, but or in the modules, but just to kind of give a bit of a preset as to what the course is all about. Okay.